Ense ya Kenya William Ruto nigorikoria rero abakiroria sokobeko gwesei egatie company yekorosia simiti ya Bamburi Cement na boigo Sinoma SBMI na boigo kwanikyo kubwatira na gwe serikali na mashirika y'abantu nyene ntumura ibwense aire nigokira chikokonya ense ya Kenya kwegenderia samagendero etari kumubekera higurube omwananchi hase okorwa ebango mulikito Julia Obuba agotumanya aya aine kiwase county yo ya Kwale.
Omuraibu William Ruto otogire kubatana kwa bekirwe gatie kampani ya simiti ya Bamburi nere ya Sinoma CBMI irokuri yechoka yokorosie simiti ase kirongi bilioni 32 ensemo ya Matuga Kwale County.
This national project is anchored on strategic infrastructure development, and I hope Bamburi you're listening. Expanded, reliable and affordable energy, large-scale infrastructure in irrigation through extensive dam construction designed to unlock productivity across agriculture, manufacturing, housing, transport and services.
Serikali ya Ruto yabekire bosio okubatira na gwe serikali ne chikampuni cy'abanyene rwekiranie ndoto ya magenderero.
Unless we make bold investments in different parts of our economy. And we want to do that without necessarily burdening taxpayers or endangering the country with borrowing. And that is why we have developed alternative mechanisms of how we are going to do this, using mature assets that we have as a country and leveraging those by putting together private-public partnership where we can bring on board more private sector resources.
Waziri wa bonchererane viwanda liki nyanjui nigo nera arire iraye wizara yaye uchegosire kiwanda ekyo aschinchera ibere.
Your Excellency, our support for the industry is at two levels, is in creating policies that generate confidence, and I want to thank you because a lot of the proposals we've brought for the industry, working together with the stakeholders, you have supported us, and I really want to say part of what you see today is a product of many discussions that have yielded in this. I want to assure the industry that we shall continue to support you, and Kenya wants to get its rightful position in the broader conversation around import substitution and creation of wealth and employment in the country. Lastly, Your Excellency, I was just discussing with some of my colleagues, and we were saying that breaking down your conversation around your vision for the country, we have agreed that nobody can dream for you. People can help you to get to where you want, but nobody can dream for you.
Julia Obuba, Ensoko TV.